Hey, Brown from Garage Mahal. I have one of these Moen faucets, and I've never changed the aerator on it. So I picked up this aerator tool kit. So it's got a bunch of different keys on it, and basically those will fit up under here. So unscrew that, and it comes with a bunch of replacement aerators. So in case yours is pretty crusted up. And this key is actually the one that I'm going to use on the Moen, and it's going to basically turn it counterclockwise and give you an idea before I get too far. So that is what the bottom of your aerator is going to look like, to give you kind of an idea. I guess this is probably, see if I get a better view. So there, so you can see all, like inside, all that sediment and stuff is crusted up. And then, like I said, this key will go right up into those grooves. That is kind of how it sits in there, and then I'll be turning it. I guess it's because it's so kind of hard to keep it on track, but you can see how it's coming out. And this has never been done in this house since this sink has been put in. So I'm curious to see how this is going to look. So that is loose. So it's not too bad, but you can kind of see all the sediment on there. And these usually separate to a degree. You can kind of just turn the water on and rinse them a little bit. That will kind of clear any sediment that you have in here out of the way. So that's what you're looking at. Then the tool obviously fits in nice and complete there. And then what we're going to be doing is, like, we're going to look through this set and find a new replacement one. And so I found one, and it actually has a little bit of a like flathead piece that you can do in there, but you can tell the difference is how this one's a lot discolored. This one's clear. You can kind of like see up into it. So we will get that started. Line the key back up on that. And just kind of so that's good. And then that's your new aerator. Alright, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.